Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to delete chats and chat history in ChatGPT. In order to delete chats, we can go over to the top left corner to where you have the ChatGPT logo. When you hover over it, it's going to change to the open sidebar icon. Click on it, and here you have your chat history. In order to delete chats, you can go to a specific chat and then click on the three dots there, then click on delete. You'll need to confirm your deletion, and after that chat will be gone. And if you want to delete your chat history, you'll need to go over to the top right corner, click on your avatar, then click on settings, then go over to data controls, and here you'll see the option to delete all chats. When you click on delete all, you'll need to confirm your deletion. This will delete your chat history in ChatGPT. So this is how you get to delete chats and chat history in ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, do give us a like